Hi DIYers, Joe from Alarm Grid, and today we're going to show you how to exclude a Yale Z-Wave Lock from an IQ2 panel. Now, if you do have a Z-Wave Lock installed, there may be a few instances of why you'd want to exclude it. One is it may not be acting in the way that you expect it to. Maybe some of the operation is getting screwed up and you just want to reinitiate the connection. Another one is maybe you don't want to use it with an alarm system anymore and you just want to use one of these locks as a standalone lock. They work great with that too, and you can use it in that fashion. Maybe you also want to be moving it to a different controller. You might be getting a new Z-Wave controller in your house or a different alarm system, and you just want to clear it out and get it ready to program into that new system. This is another reason of why you'd want to exclude the lock. Exclusion also with Z-Wave devices is really something you want to do before you include any device also. Z-Wave devices, they can actually hold program in them, or they do hold programming in them whenever they interface with a controller. And if they have any of that residual programming in them, when they try to join to another system, you could get some weird errors or it may not join, and it will be frustrating. Excluding the device before you include it on any system, it just clears the device and gets it 100% prepared to be able to be included in a device. So we do have this lock programmed into our IQ2 right now. Basically what we have to do is go into exclusion mode on our IQ2 and then hit the exclusion function on the lock, and it should clear out from the system. It's a simple process, you just need to know where to go to do it. So on our IQ2, we're going to slide down from the top, click Settings, Advanced Settings. I'll enter the default code 2222, Installation, Devices, and then Z-Wave Devices. From here, we're going to click on Clear Device. So now the system is in exclusion mode. So on our lock, what I have to do is go into the network or into the Z-Wave wireless network setting mode. So I'm going to activate the keypad, enter my master code, 1, 2, 3, 4, gear.
Menu mode, enter number.
So now we're
Press the gear key to continue.
We're in the lock menu, so I'm going to do number 7.
Wireless module setting mode.
That's the one we
Press
want.
the gear key to continue.
We're going to click the gear,
Exit the wireless network.
and we're going to click number 3
Exit the wireless network.
and the gear.
Completed.
Is deleted from the network successfully.
And as you can see, it was successfully cleared from the network. So I'm going to click OK on my panel. I'm going to click the home button, and I'm back to the home. And then on my lock, it's just back in the regular menu. So it's ready to be included into another Z-Wave network.
Time expired.
An instance where you may find excluding the lock is come into play also is if you move into a new location that has an existing Z-Wave lock, but doesn't have a Z-Wave controller or security system with a Z-Wave controller in it. Maybe it does, but you want to connect the lock to a different Z-Wave controller. This is very common when you go to when you move to a new place. Many times the previous renter or owner even will take their Z-Wave controller out of the house or apartment to use in the next location. The Z-Wave lock is still going to be likely enrolled to that controller though, or it's going to think so inside of the lock. Performing this exclusion will prepare the lock to be enrolled into a new controller so that you can use it. That's how to exclude a Z-Wave lock from a Z-Wave controller. If you didn't have any questions about this on Z-Wave locks, alarm systems, or integration in general, feel free to reach out to us, 888-818-7728. You can also send us an email to support@alarmgrid.com or head to our website, www.alarmgrid.com. If you enjoy the video, feel free to subscribe, and if you want to be notified when we post future videos, hit the notification button below and we'll send you an update when we do so. Thanks for watching and have a great day.